Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Giuseppe. Today I will show you the progress of the prosciutto. I've been doing this for 1 week. Massaging and put salt, and I'll show you. If you come closer you can see the way the prosciutto is looking now. First of all, you need to check if because there is more blood. As you can see, if you get closer you can see. You need to press the top, and there's another one on the bottom here somewhere. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see the blood over here? See? This is very important that you press the top as much as you can. So now we add more salt. And massaging it again. Exactly the same way when we first started adding the salt to the leg. You can see it's already starting to change color. You need to make sure you put plenty of salt on the bone. And just massage it the top a little bit. You can see what I'm doing. This is where the joint of the foot was. This actually has liquid in here. I made a small cut the first week. So you need to put more salt. Just move the shank a little bit. Now we'll see if there's any more blood. You can use a little bit more. Massage. Turn it over. See, the salt is all melted. Add more salt and pepper. Massaging the skin. You need to press on the meat as much as you can so the salt will penetrate through. This way. More salt. And the top, very important, the top. You want the salt to penetrate through the muscles. You need to massage it in. You don't want to put too much salt in this part here, because otherwise it might get a little bit too salty. So most of the salt is on the top, and you need to massage it in. As you can see what I'm doing. Every time you're massaging it and adding salt, you will find, or you can see that this top part of the leg gets really soft, which it means that you're loosening up all the muscles, and the meat gets the right amount of salt. A bit more salt here. And salt. Okay. This is just about done. Massage. Thank you very much. It looks really good. Thank you for watching a Master Giuseppe video. Please press the like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.